A digital battery drives the network. Resistors sit on the left and right branches, with an ammeter on the bridge between nodes P and Q. The ammeter reads 0 amps, the bridge is balanced. Conventional current leaves the positive terminal and flows around both loops. Voltmeters connect in parallel across R₂ and R₄ to read V sub P and V sub Q. At balance, Vp equals Vq, so the ammeter current stays 0. Key ideas: 0 bridge current means equal junction potentials. Each arm is a potential divider. Equating ratios gives the balance condition. The R₂ R₄ terms cancel, leaving R₁ times R₄ equals R₂ times R₃. The correct option is D, R₁ times R₄ equals R₂ times R₃.